Hey, what's up, family? Today we back in the studio with another banger, and this one we're gonna talk about a whole lot of shit, bro. And I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I filmed this video literally right before this, and the bitch corrupted on me, so if I seem a little bit tired, my voice a little raspy, my bad, bro. But I'm trying to refilm this shit for y'all. So today we got a couple leaks from Supreme, we got some Yeezy news, some Jordan leaks, dunks releasing, we got a whole bunch of shit to talk about in this video. But leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you're into streetwear or sneaker related content. Just leave a like for the efforts, because I literally had to film this shit twice. But enough talking, let's go ahead and get straight into this video. So in the background behind me, y'all see probably like 10 pairs of sneakers, which I am gonna get into. A couple days ago, the 350 V2s came out, and hey, I took a L, bro. I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, I tried, it just didn't work. Today the fucking boots came out, and guess what happened? Another L. Yes, I need these shits still. I feel like they look so fire, especially on people's fits, but I just haven't been blessed with a pair yet. It's gonna come, trust me, it's gonna come. March 17th, the dazzling blues are supposed to restock. Honestly, I don't really care about these too much, which is a good thing because they are restocking in EU only. So hey, EU boys are getting the dazzling joints on the 17th. There's the mono safflowers releasing, which is almost like a 2.0 of this colorway. It's the same shit as the regular safflower with like a little sprinkle to it. They probably switched up the tone of yellow or some shit by like a centimeter, and it's a whole new shoe. But yeah, March 19th, these hoes release. We got the Bone 350s, which is basically the triple white V2. I'm honestly gonna sleep on those. These are March 21st. This right here is probably what a lot of people are still hyped about for March, is the Wave Runners, bro. This is probably like the 7th, 8th release, and might I add, these bitches still gonna sell out, bro. A lot of people still want these in their collection. My girl still wants these. I have them, and low-key, I wouldn't even mind doubling up on a pair because it's just a beautiful, timeless sneaker. Hey, you just can't go wrong with the Wave Runners. It just changed everything, and it looks clean. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for those. We do got this, which is a pair of sneakers that actually did switch a little bit, because I made a video on Yeezy and Jordan releases, which will be up here if y'all are trying to see a detailed March calendar. These cinders were supposed to look like a more brownish color, and right here it's almost like a monotone gray brown, and I think it looks way better in this color. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm getting 350 OG vibes from this. I feel like it's ahead of its time, and it's something that a lot of people might have to catch up to in the future. I think it's solid, and I might actually go for these. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I've been debating on picking up the black pair, but this one looks pretty clean, so I might do it. I don't know yet. There's the Quantums mono carbon, probably the same shit as all the other Quantums. Sleep for me. And then these stone carbons, which did change a little bit. Finalized pair is gonna be this right here. It's the black with the copper, which I do think looks better than this. Let me know in the comments what you guys think. I feel like this looks way cleaner than this one right here. But that's the last Yeezy for this month. We do got a couple for next month, which if y'all trying to see a detailed list, once that gets closer, I will do that for y'all. There's Zebra's other black pair of 350s, the MX Blues, you got the Core Reds coming out. There's a lot of colorways for next month that are looking kind of solid. We will talk about that when the time comes though. There's this pair of Jordan 2 Responsibilities. These go crazy, bro. Let me know what y'all have to say about these, because honestly, this might be top 10 sneaker of the year for me. That is a lot to say, and a lot of people don't even like twos, but this one right here is beautiful, bro. The black on black with the cream suede midsole, bro. Count me in. Multiple accounts, I'll pay resell for these without a doubt, bro. I won't even blink twice. For me, it's the little touches like the elephant print vibe around the back of it. Got a little bit of patent leather on the back, the quilted insole, the arrow instead of the Jumpman right here, the suede cream midsole, bro. The jet black suede on the top. These shits is cold, bro. Let me know what y'all have to say about these. Honestly, I'm amped about these right here. Wear your shoes, show the world where you've been. Big facts, peace, love, and respect. Facts, bro. Those Jordan 2s is crazy. So let's talk about the New Balance 2002R protection pack. I know New Balance has been taking the world by storm. Low-key, they've been reselling more than Jordan 1s nowadays, and I see why. The protection pack is one of those that are undeniable. If you don't even like New Balances, you're gonna like those. Almost like a deconstructed pair of New Balances, and they look gorgeous. I was debating on getting the black OG pair, and then I saw that there's more pairs coming out, so I'm like, bro, hold up, wait a minute before I pay $450 with it. Let's see what these shits look like. And we got this navy with the teal color. I think this is not that bad. I actually like the way that the gray, the navy, and the tealish color mesh together. It looks really subtle. Hey, let me know what y'all think about these. We got this second pair right here, which is basically this gray with another tone of gray blue. This picture don't do this shit no justice. This one definitely does. This probably has to be my favorite color out of the two. I feel like I'm gonna go for both of them. For retail, I wouldn't mind getting either or, but if I were to pick, that's tough. I feel like I would pick these. I'm not gonna lie, they look more wearable, so I'd probably just go with the bottom pair, but I still think these don't compete with the OG pairs. I'd probably take those gray ones or the black ones before any of these. So I know most of y'all really here for the Supreme news, so let's go ahead and get into it. We only have a little bit confirmed so far. This isn't the full list, but once it's out, I will do that video for y'all. This week we got the Nate Loman collab, and at the top we got these double knee painter pants. It's at the top for a reason. I feel like the painter pants have to be the best ones out of all the shit dropping. I feel like the cream color is really wearable. The only reason I probably wouldn't go for these is because they're so baggy, and Supreme is a skateboard brand. We know this. For me to pay almost $150, $180 at this point for a pair of denim and then have to tailor them bitches, it's just not happening. So them shits is a dub. I do like the way that on the blue color, it's kind of like more monotone, more toned down, and there's the sweater coming out which just looks like an all over print disaster, bruh. Like, I'm not even trying to look at that shit too much. It's a little OD. I feel like if it had less holes in it, it would probably look better low key. It just looks like an all over print bullet hole sweater, and it's not anything too special. But we do got the work vest coming out in 3 different colorways. I feel like this is probably one of the better pieces releasing, much like the pants. This one in black looks like a vest that you could throw over a little Carhartt sweater and just have that whole workwear vibe to it. Something different. Honestly, I don't think I would go for it, but hey, it's something different. There's the Nate Loman short sleeve shirt. This is basically what I was saying they should do on that sweater. Literally put less logos on this shit and it would have been way more fire. That's a fact, bro. Like, it's way better right here than right here. Look at this shit and then look at this shit. Just, bro, it's, come on. But last up in the collab, we do got this hooded sweatshirt, and once again, look at this shit and then look at this shit, bro. If you had this amount of logos on this, honestly would have looked so much better. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments. I just feel like this whole collection is repetitive. I see where they're going with it. It's nothing too special. It doesn't really stand out too much, so I'd probably just skip on this whole shit. But that's pretty much what we got for the Supreme collab so far. There's not really too many items to go off of. Once the full drop list comes out, I will make sure to cover that for y'all. But let's go ahead and talk about some dunk releases. Right here we got these Flux clot dunks. Honestly, I think these shits is kind of ass. It almost looks like the inside of a fucking lunchbox. I'm good on those. March 18th if you do want them. We do got the vintage green dunks on March 24th. I really do love what Nike's been doing with the vintage series. That aged outsole is everything in my opinion. I feel like it just adds a characteristic to the sneaker with the yellow laces and the yellow outsole. It just looks clean, especially on this dark green color. Almost gives me like a military-ish vintage vibe, and I am digging it. Let me know if y'all gonna be going for this vintage green dunk low on March 24th. I'm also interested in the vintage navy pair. We got the St. Patrick's Day dunks. These are hella loud, bro. I don't think I would ever buy these. Not ever, bro. Not never. Literally never. Unless I was gonna resell these shits. This really isn't a color that I would even wear, so I'm gonna probably skip on them. Then we got the Ken Griffey Jr. dunks. Low key, I love the tone of green that they used on these. If this tone of green was used on this right here, crazy, bro. Them shits will resell nuts. I think that would be so hard. But yeah, the mineral slates, there's way better dunks than these, so I'd probably just say skip on them. There's these toasty dunks, look like a fucking blanket. I'm good on these. Once again, I do like the color choices. The inside looks fuzzy. There's a good idea behind this, but do I need these? Honestly, will I really even go for these? Nah. These paisley dunks are equally as ass. I don't know if y'all agree with me or not, but at the end of the day, it's my opinion, and these hoes is doodle, bro. I would not really even buy these, wear these, rock these, cop these, stock these at that. These is ass, bro, for sure. But it's okay, because they're saying that in March we're supposed to see the Union Dunks in the mystic blue color, and they're supposed to be 30,000 pair.
I eat pears now and shit like that. Shout out to all the pear.
Yes, bro, shout out to all the pear. There's supposed to be 30K of these. Hopefully I could get my hands on them, because I didn't hit on the first pair, and this was my favorite color out of the ones that we did see. So I'm excited to see what's gonna happen with these at the end of this month. There is this pair right here, which I don't really think is gonna be releasing. All that we've heard is that there's gonna be 30K for this one. We ain't hear shit about this one right here. As these releases get closer, I will make more videos and shit like that, so make sure you go ahead and subscribe to the channel and click the post notification bells. But there's one more dunk, and it's the Setsubun Dunk Lows. Honestly, I don't know much about this, but it looks like some shit that Travis Scott would have pulled out the archive back in the day before dunks were the shit again. These basically have that cream, brown, purple, and gold colors. I feel like it looks like a 2005 dunk, literally, that they're bringing back. Don't know if these are gonna have too much resell or anything like that. I'm not well rounded on the whole Setsubun thing. That might be like an anime. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about these. I'm not really too pressed about them, not gonna lie to y'all. Since we're talking about the Union Dunks, it's only right that we cover the Union Jordan 2s. They're saying April 8th we're gonna be seeing these released. There's two colors. I am a fan of these a little bit more. The rattan color, it has like this creamish hue to it, and they do look more solid. So in a perfect world, April 8th I would probably get these. They are gonna retail at $225, which is a little bit high, I'm not gonna lie, but looking at the materials and the little extra details on these sneakers, I feel like it definitely will be worth it. There's a lot going on these, and I feel like they're clean, bro. Another Jordan 2 that I feel like might be top 10 for me, especially in this color. I feel like these will have some type of resell, probably not too much, because at the end of the day it is a Jordan 2, but I could see at least 500-600 for sure on this cream pair, even more. But let me know if y'all gonna be going for these come April 8th. I feel like April is gonna be a banger month for sneakers. And low-key, that pretty much does it for this video, man. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel for more streetwear or sneaker related content. There's new videos coming out every other day type shit, so make sure you subscribe. And hey, we on road to 20K, so join the family. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.